Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia Pro X with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, mainly that the solenoid to the hot water tap was actually completely clogged, and it wasn't allowing any sort of water to come out of the steam boiler. Once I was able to unclog that solenoid from the inside, I noticed there was a lot of scale inside the boilers, and so what we did is we did a complete tune-up on this machine where we descaled both the steam and the brew boiler. And of course all the components like steam on, hot water tap, those solenoids and all the piping going backwards. This machine specifically had quite a lot of scale, specifically in the steam boiler, but the brew boiler had a little bit in there also, to the point where the steam boiler water was actually more yellow and brown than the normal blue and green colors that you usually get with scale. So we had to descale it a little bit more than traditional. But we were able to run it clear, and then also just for safety, just to make sure there was no descaler left in the boiler, we took off the vacuum release valve and drained it completely from the inside instead of relying on the hot water tap. For the brew boiler, we descaled it until it ran clear, and then of course flushed it out. On top of that, we did deep clean the group head. It was pretty bad with coffee buildup. Here's that old shower screen that was in there. So we replaced it with new gasket, new shower screen, deep clean that distribution plate that's in there also, because there was a lot of coffee buildup on that too, and just make sure everything works as intended. So the customer didn't bring a portafilter with them. We are going to test the machine, just make sure that water is flowing through each part of the machine. Group head working nice and well. Again, we did deep clean all that out. We did back flush the machine too, to get all the coffee that's behind, like the solenoid, the brew solenoid, and everything back there, make sure everything was clean. Now the main part of the repair, the hot water tap, we're going to turn this one on. As you can see, water's coming out right now, and it's just going to run until there's no more water left. And then quickly, before it runs out, we're going to And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.